Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to put this car seat onto the car, to the car seat belts. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So this is a car seat which I ordered from First Cry. It's from a brand called Babyhug. I've done a separate unboxing of this. You can check that out. So it is called Amber Ace. It has a canopy. It comes with a 3-point harness hooks, and it can be used as a carry cot. It has a mosquito net as well, which is over there. So let's see how to put this to the car seat. So if you see on the back, there is a hook which they have given. This is for hooking the seat belts. This is the main part where you need to hook the seat belts, and the other two are on the front. One is over here, this side. If you see here, there's a hook here, and the other one is on this side where you can put the seat belts. First thing is you need to pull the seat belts how much ever is required and take it around the car seat, something like this, and you need to hook the first part over here. Always hold this buckle hook with you, or else it's going to be a mess. Once you have done that, you just need to put this onto this hook. So if you see, I have put the seat belt over here. That is first thing. Next is you can lock this to the car seat buckle. So if you see here, I've locked it. Next thing what you have to do is just pull this thing and hook this thing over here, and the other one over here. So that's all. If you want to put the baby, just open this, put the baby, and then you can put back this seat belt. If you want to take this car seat, then just remove it, unlock it, take the baby out, then can make use of this holder to carry it as a cot, and you can carry the baby with this car seat itself, and this way you can avoid a lot of trouble. You can directly carry the baby into the house wherever you're going. So that is how you put the car seat. So yeah, that's how to put the car seat onto the car. It's a simple way to do. Just need to make use of the harness hooks what they have given and put this car seat belt. So yeah, that's a quick video which I wanted to make. Hope this was useful. If you find this video useful, let me know in the comments, and also if you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you, bye.